Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Exploring modern dining room designs can transform your home into a stylish and functional space. Modern dining rooms emphasizes clean lines, minimalism, and the seamless integration of technology and design. Key features often include sleek furniture such as glass or wooden dining tables with metal accents and comfortably arched chairs that invite guests to linger. Lighting plays a critical role with pendant lights or chandeliers serving as focal points. Natural color palettes dominate, but bold accent walls or art pieces can add a pop of color and personality. Incorporating natural elements like plants or stone helps create a balanced and inviting atmosphere. Open layouts that blends the dining area with the kitchen or living room are also popular, promoting a sense of flow and connectivity. Smart storage solutions like built-in cabinets or sideboards keep the space clutter-free. Additionally, technology integration such as smart lighting or automated window treatments enhances convenience and ambience. With these elements, a modern dining room becomes more just a place to eat. It transforms into a hub for socializing and enjoying quality time with loved ones. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.